share my views about women empowerment. What do we need to do for women empowerment? As we all know, Indian society have give a huge respect to a woman. Lots of our gods are female. Like God of wealth is Lakshmi, God of power and strength is Durga, and God of wisdom is Saraswati. Women are personified for wealth and wisdom, but still they play lots of role in our society. They play as a role as a mother, as a sister, as a nurse, as a teacher, and as a friend at one time according to the need of everyone's. But still they get a little no appreciation for that. For the girls who are working, they fulfill the responsibility of their job along with their household activities. There are lots of women who are talented and multitasker but do not have their individual identity in our society. I would like to divide my speech and the reason behind it in group. The first main reason is inequality, gender inequality. Still we do not treat male and female same even for the same work. Generally we see this thing in rural society that they encourage their son to go to school, get education, get job, and other hand they are sharing with their daughter, do household activity for our future so that your husband will be happy with you. And another reason is that is domestic violence. Divorce are still taboo in our Indian society. There are lots of women who are suffering from abusive marriage but still aren't able to take action for themselves because they are not empowered. If we want empowerment in our society, domestic violence need to be stopped at any cost. If we want women empowerment, we need to make women economically free as well. As I have shared that women get a poor education and no education, so for them it's hard to get a good job. So they are bounded to stay at home or work with less paid job. That's why male are still remain a bread earner of their family. If we want our country to be developed, we need to make women economically free. And I'm not saying that government are not doing these things. They make a scheme, even for some NGO are doing these things. As we can see, NCWF is one of the example of government scheme. They are providing women better education. But still, if we want to achieve the women empowerment, we need to eliminate the gender inequality from our society. Like, as you can see in our society, and the main reason is that it's not about men. Men are not judging women in prep. Women are a barrier for women. Even if your aunt will see you with short dress, they will say, "Oh, where are you going? Are you going to meet your boyfriend? What is timing is that?" They never told their son to stay at home, do not go outside. But why they are saying these things to girls only? Because their mentality, even girls do these things. The person will stop you will not be your father first. Your mother will tell you, do not wear this. Your father will not like it. Because we make our mentality like that. We need to educate our daughter as well and treat them with that mentality. Whatever people say, you need to be in yourself. I'm looking forward for these things. Thank you for your time.